Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to activate SIMBA card. So guys, this easy method you can do. Go your browser and your device and search on SIMBA SIM and scroll down as you can see here guys, and see section for how to get started. Now this you will to everything, and you will now need to know before you are able to activate your SIM card over here. First step guys, make sure that your device is compatible with your SIM card, and then next choose your plan and choose your SIM option, and we'll checking out. And now to activate your plan, a unique QR code you will be send your email and scan it instantly and activating your SIM card. So guys, this you go. If you guys found this video helpful for you, don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content. See you soon.